This is outside one of my clients. You can hear all the seagulls. Beautiful view. We'll put this in the video today. Hi everybody. And it's Friday. Good Friday. And as you can see, we're getting a snowstorm. We had tremendous damage done from the storm surge. In fact, the client's house I'm going to, the whole deck of their house was washed away. The one corner of their house, all the rock was washed away. We had a heck of a night. But yeah, it's snowing, and it's snowing good. So, but it's -1, so it's about 33 degrees Fahrenheit. So, yeehaw. But I'll try to give you some video through the day, and I'll combine this with another video I've had from the week and combine them into one. And all the snow just slid off my roof onto my windshield. And I couldn't see where I was going. It's that heavy wet snow, so yeah. It's April in New Brunswick. You never know what you're going to be around the next corner. Oh, by the way, I'm Antoinette, coming to you from 2 OGs, hooking stitching island style. Deer Island, New Brunswick, where life is always interesting. Thank you to returning subbies. Thank you to the new subbies. I hope you enjoy the content that I have to offer now and in the future. And stay tuned. I will be back. Isn't it pretty, all the white snow? I mean, the roads are bare over here, pretty good shape. But, oh, I'm telling you. Well, it makes life interesting. Okay, I'm going to show you some of the damage from the storm surge we had. They said it was unprecedented. There was lobster traps floating in the bay. They were everywhere. It collapsed this wharf. It washed up 1.5 feet of debris. You'll see this here. This was all on the road. And that house way down there, as my client tore away the deck and the right corner posts in the house. Today it's nice and calm, but yesterday, the winds, there's some footage on Facebook. If I can get it, bring it into this, I will. If not, I'll put a link. You can see the damage. The wharf was just wrecked. We had a lot of damage. We had winds. I mean, she was churning hard. So, yeah, it was pretty bad. The road was blocked. But that's some of the damage from the storm. That snow I showed you, well, 8 hours before that, this was just lapping up, and the water was all the way up into the front yards here of people. And that's how far it come up. And there is the salmon cage where my husband works. He's out there somewhere. I don't know how good this is zoom in. And this is the work that they're doing on the house for Bellman and Keith, building it up. What a view. That's their view. Morning, everybody. It's Wednesday, April 15, 2020. 9 o'clock Atlantic time. And I'm Antoinette, coming to you from 2 OGs, hooking and stitching island style. Coming to you from Deer Island, New Brunswick. Yes, as you can see, I trim my bangs. Oh well, in this day of stay in place, social distancing, and all that good stuff, going to the beauty shop is not a luxury we can afford. So this week, I have bathed the dog, cut the dog's nails, gave my husband a haircut, which with the trimmers, which is easy, just a number 2. And my bangs were in my eyes, and I can't stand it, so I trimmed them. Yes, they're too short, but oh well. I still have to do my roots, but we'll get to that. So I hope everybody's well this morning, and this video will be combined with a few other little 2-3 minutes of video I have showing the snowstorm we had and storm surge and some of the damage and all that good stuff. So it'll be a compilation video. So I just wanted to come on because I have not had time getting home from work to sit down and do a finished objects, whips, and all that good stuff. But I can tell you, and I blame it on COVID-19, I have cast on 2 sweaters. Both are cable patterns, and both are going to be from now till next fall to get them done. One is a fisherman's sweater, and I'll show all this in a video. And one is called the Cuff to Cuff Cable Sweater by Michelle Porter. Now, I had to contact her because I got to row 7 to the increases and was having like a meltdown because I was overthinking it. So she was so gracious, and I'll put all this stuff in the excuse me, description box below when I upload the video. She was so gracious. She sent me a very detailed response. Now I had to get her contact through Ravelry because apparently her email address is not working or is no longer available. But nonetheless, she did respond to me, and I was so grateful because it's going to be a gorgeous pattern. I am doing it in some yarn that I've had in my stash for probably a year and a half, and I have 5 skeins of Loops and Threads Barcelona in the color Dusk, and it's a gorgeous yarn, but I will tell you I need very good lighting to knit with it because it's dark colors, blacks and purples and browns. It's dark, but it's really pretty, and it's a chunky yarn. By the time these 2 sweaters are done, I will say my cabling skills will have improved. But other than that, and then I have a set of leg warmers that I'm doing for my granddaughter. Her birthday was yesterday. Happy birthday, Ariana. Nanny loves you. Grammy and Bumpy wish you a happy 10th birthday. She's a dancer, and she's doing ballet, so I am knitting her a set of leg warmers. And I found a great pattern called Soda Pop leg warmers. They're for adults, so I had to adjust the size for her because she is very tiny. I fixed the problem with my drop stitches on my sock, so I didn't have to rip it all out. If you walk away for a couple days, usually you have time to settle down and you don't frog it. And I'm at the point where I've got to start picking up stitches. So that's sitting there, and my fundy shawl, and the usual elf coat, and my Cal Afghan. And what else did I have? Oh, and I've got about 3 inches left of Barb's peplum top. It will be done, and then I will finish up the pretty pink sweater and get that done, and I'll be on track. So that'll be, probably in the next couple of weeks I'll have 4 whips off of my list of 8. And on that list, 3 of them are, year long. So technically I only have 1 whip. Technically. So I am almost to my first client's house. I will continue this chat when I am done there. Today is one of my long days. Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays are my very 8 to 10 hour days. So I will be chatting with you through the day. So stay tuned for more yarn talk, life talk, and all that good stuff. And there is the salmon cage where my husband works. He's out there somewhere. I don't know how good this is zoom in. And this is the work that they're doing on the house for Bellman and Keith, building it up. What a view. That's their view.
All right. We'll back up. The hell? I've only tried 1,000,000 of them.
Okay, I'll go get out of the way.
Good idea.
Yeah. The 11 o'clock show on YouTube tonight. I think part of it's the ground's so wet.
Yeah, shit.
Back up more, dear. So hurry. They just don't build things like they used to. Well, it's soft, eh? Yeah. Just a second, I'll see if I can get something to
Call.